Hello everyone, welcome to BinaryEdgeCapital. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to successfully create your Deriv trading account so that you can start trading volatility indices and binary options. If you want to follow this tutorial, make sure to create your account using the link in the description below, because that's the account I use to teach my students how to trade for free. Now let's get started. Step 1, you open the registration link on the description of this video. This will take you directly to the Deriv registration page. Here you will see the button that says create free account or create demo account. Click on that button. It will take you to a page like this one. Now enter your active email address. Make sure it's an email you can access, because Deriv will send you a verification message. After entering your email, click create demo or create account, depending on how it will prompt you. Now verify your email. How will you do this? Next, you go to your email inbox. You will see a message from Deriv asking you to verify your email address. Click the verification link inside the email. This will automatically take you back to Deriv platform. Complete your profile. Once you are in the Deriv platform, you will need to complete your profile. Now, Deriv will ask you to complete your account information. You will enter your country name, your full name, password. I entered this one, but you can enter according to your country name. Make sure the password is strong and something you will remember. Then click start trading. Another step is to access your demo account. You will see once your account is created, you will automatically get a demo account with 10,000 USD virtual money. It's not real money. You can use that for practice. And this is very important because you can practice trading without risking your real money. I always recommend beginners to start with demo before moving to a real account. Step 6 is to add a real trading account. There you will click below demo, you will see real trading account. So if you want to trade with real money, go to the real account section and create a Deriv synthetic account. This will allow you to trade volatilities, rise and fall, and all the other things, boom and crash. If you want to learn profitable Deriv trading strategies, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Join my WhatsApp and Telegram community. The link is in my description. And create your Deriv account using this link in the description, because that's the account that I'm using to teach my students. Remember, the lessons are for free. That way you can follow my strategies step by step. Thank you for watching. This is BinaryEdgeCapital. I'll see you in the next video where I'll show you how to take your first trade on Deriv and how to verify the proof of address and proof of identity.